people want to look at the Tracy Boakye saga, where she has been given a suspension letter from the Film Producers Association of Ghana, that is FIPAC. But then Tracy says, I am not a member of FIPAC, so how dare you suspend me? Interestingly, both people, the president of FIPAC, James Aboagye, is not responding to his calls, and same way Tracy Boakye is also not responding to her calls. But then we will still get to the bottom of this. Get ready as we move deeper into this situation. But you are into the movie industry, Sammy Rasta, and what do you know about this Tracy Boakye and FIPAC issues?
Well, Tracy, for my information, I'm Kutano. FIPAC released the letter because Omunim said or a member.
So FIPAC didn't know. They didn't do their checks.
No, Omunim said according to them, she's a member, and this is the reason. The reason in the say during the time Tracy registered, not FIPAC joining was 500 cedis, and she paid 300 out of the 500
and take her 200
according to the FIPAC PR. Yes.
Okay.
And that's why I'm saying my check.
The current PR or
the current.
Okay.
The current. So so what 300 out of the 500 cedis there, then definitely according to them, almost during that time they said she can pay the rest later, which she has not done.
Okay.
But another information is that FIPAC deducts Tracy's ASOC money to pay for monthly dues. That is the information that I have now. Yes.
Sika SSO from ASOG no.
That is what I've heard.
But you talk to me. Why Jai Kofi Asamoah?
The Martin say they deduct. I don't know whether it's a mechanism we use to pay for.
Yeah, but say every month now say member of FIPAC be to dues no. Tracy Boakye dey no free ni ASOG sika mu.
I think maybe and I'm can say minim say ade o maye for all the members, because almost all the members no ASOG. So for them not to go hunting for maybe on my chat was say we have to
So they are doing this at the blind side of Tracy Boakye.
I'm sure, I'm sure. And you know,
because all Tracy Boakye
Tracy who say one man register any day, and nobody has consulted her after that, and I said has tried, and no name a problem. No, you know, at this time of the industry, we need everybody to come on board so that we can rebuild the industry again. I always say problem I what letter who was that share the first paragraph, the second paragraph, all these things now more try some more be partial ama a friend say tracing. That should have been the first thing to do. What I say, suspension assembly there. Same point ka mo the mo letter no be card there. Tracy no is already doing. Say why are there wonu ne ho. No all patch or say Ghana for fan. So you as a mother body no so no most more baby support say ade na oye no wanye ni ye nti Ghana for fan. After that bia mo de sa suspension letter ne be ba and I say be man or no ni ehun say o medikan aba bia ba be kan say ade na oye no ye fan. But to combine that in one letter say mo kure mu pacha wa man mo kure say mo suspended. And you want media to talk about the pacha begging not to talk about the suspension. But suspension is the most trending thing.
Yeah.
So let the new suspension that is why everybody will talk about. Because and no idea to me I know say Why would you even have to go to this extent? This is somebody's moral right. So it goes against her personally. I don't know, sir, if omo laws be ever omo 5-pack we say.
Oh, we know, sir. 5-pack. This is not the first time 5-pack has banned an actress or a producer. This is not the first time.
No, based on it's not the first time, but based on
misconduct. No, based on misconduct
against the
industry to them. Yes. If you do anything that they consider as a misconduct, omunuwo issues.
Okay.
And Yvonne Nelson has suffered it, and some 1 or 2 names we know in this industry, they have suffered it before. Just that we know the only issue here is on your member. So how do you suspend her?
And no make us say, that is where the leadership comes in. Say, oh, a leader, now about to say on your list, voters a list of the year voting. Tracy Diniwum, according to them, say that means she's a member. Now you as a leader now, who buy a handy over amount. How well have you gone to the extent of bringing Obia Ufise on your active member?
Okay.
And I say, who say on Tiani Sikari and approach Ben a more leadership na more no my so this is our member Ntino. Let's get close to her. I think say Bia the previous leadership no to me and take it control Oma will come here to even complete the payment no crampo and then the other things involved. Mostly say utia usikawia and they call the national platform. So that means the reason why I'm funding to our national platform is so that say she has not finished paying her dues.
Okay.
And you know, this is where the leadership comes in. As a president, before so be releasing this letter, now have you checked yourself? Say, at the end of 1 year as a president to bring Tracy, who is even active than most of your members.
Yeah, because I know in the past yes, we are producing
yeah. We're producing movie. Yeah, come membership but just that they are part of the association. And think all produce at this time no. A day na more year to bring her back. So complete your payment. Be sure so you're full member because you are doing good, and then we support you and all that. And I say me about ye me share them who say and call for a film producers association a chibia say more come home and ogumenuma say and me baby amateur free and mu jump straight just to come out with this letter because you assume so you will member. And the panel also feels that she is not a member because on completely the necessary requirements. She is not a member.
Thank you, Sammy Rasta. Now, let me read this story from SammyFlexTV.com, a story by Nana Reagan. The story reads, Breaking Fresh Trouble for Tracy Boakye Surfaces. And it reads, outspoken actress and film producer Tracy Boakye for the past week has been in the news for all the bad reasons, and that doesn't seem to end anytime soon, since the Film Producers Association of Ghana, 5-pack, have also taken actions against her. Now, the latest now is her suspension as a film producer in Ghana by 5-pack. According to a statement signed by the association's president, Director James Aboagye, Tracy's suspension comes on the heels of her recent social media outburst involving a yet to be identified man which is deemed an affront to our Ghanaian culture, tradition, ethics, and ethics. Okay, the statement states that Tracy Boakye is not supposed to take part in any activities during this period until the situation is reviewed. Now, this is the full statement I'm about to read. Our attention has been drawn to recent publications and circulation of videos on social media showing pistons of vulgar and unprintable exchanges between Tracy Boakye and musician Miss Bell. The content was so bad and affront to our Ghanaian culture, tradition, and sensibilities. The Film Producers Association of Ghana finds their action actions very regrettable, especially that of Miss Tracy Boakye, who happens to be an actress and a film producer and therefore supposed to serve as a role model. Now, 5pac wishes to render an unqualified apology to the general public and the man involved for her behavior, as that display of character does not represent what the film industry stands for or wishes to propagate. We wish that Ghanaians will find a space in their hearts to forgive her. In view of this, 5pac has immediately suspended Miss Tracy Boakye indefinitely. She is not supposed to take part in any of the activities during this period until the situation is reviewed. And this story was written by Reagan O.O. Safo, aka Nana Reagan, Beef Nation president for SammyFlexTV.com. Now, after the press release, Tracy Boakye also put out this information via a video on social media. Listen to Tracy Boakye.
Just a was a member. My producing movie for 8 good years. Film Producers Association of Ghana. On farming to platform so da. Me wo ye obian train phone. Emma me congratulations that not even talk of say mo besra me. Me tuwe me come home. Me a independent producer. Obian say me a independent producer. Many first come out producer. Makwa abuchire ako premiere me movie. Me ya ade penimu bie ni ho film producing association of friend me. E can congratulations. Then the most mama me the letter. Na me mu me. Film producer association of Ghana. Mu ni me. Adwuma ne ba form a obi a be mu buye. Enka kra oba a me de me se ma be mu me de me produce movie. E de a hye nyina ye no munyam. Even though my me free mu me nka mo ho. Obusa me 5pac mpanifo 2 dimpo aminim mo platform mo kwoto abayi executives ko man to be mo se me nya member sebe me kwa awo so na mama enke ho na mo be salai abayi ayi kese abebonsa aka se me producer na me busa mo se me tiase a me wo ya mpo no ma frɛ me da Film Producers Association of Ghana na we kura de enke fa mo ho ben me ka mo ho some darkus ne other producers to me frame me. Tracy, why are there? Cause one me producer mo frame me. Director James Aboagye. When was the last time I kasa me ho? Somebody a wo kɔtɔ letter dia begu mani maase. Sesi ana sebi. Adwuma na gu na e wase ye nyina ye tena se. Ana mo tena se because me nka mo ho. Me de mo fa me nka mo ho da wo. Mo WhatsApp platform kra mo fa me nto so da. Mo se me nka ho. Chese me kra me o se motimi ade we aba abontin tu se mo di gu mani maase enye hwe nyankopon hata so on ne di akra asem on ne di pani asem me de masem nyina emenya me mo gu mani maase mati mani mo fifiro ekwa me fa so me nyesa me di produce movie mo nim ho hwe mo a me wo kwa bia so me nka mo ho mo platform me hu yenka me ye producer nka me hu ye kura no ka mo beba be hwe me na bibi me ka mo ho suspension be adwuma no ewu yen na ye try see ade adwuma no beba no mo say ba be kill your spirit but me you can't kill my spirit assemba ya man kase ya hu say Ghana for no mu bidi o man no gu me so amaba abonten abepa che na o say enye ye nya no eni akora be say de so ye de leteba president what now for over years maintain one kanda minka platform hoda. The next thing you did was to call me and tell me, oh man, me suspicious, oh suspending me. President, what's we a fair president? Father for all. Me pacho wa nye wadwuma yi sa kobra. Director James Aboagye, wa nye wadwuma yi. You and I know say wa nye wadwuma yi. What frame it da? What frame it da? Director, me come home. Me pacho me come home. Me kan ho anka beka say eh platform ne wo so Tracy ekuo no mu bi me nka mu kuo ne ho me nka ho director ade na pesa ofa asem we so ana wo so obeyi yesei ade nti na wo yesa director we president director James Aboagye. When was the last time me okasa me? When was the last time I would the phone FM me mpoda? The last time I met you won kan yenra o frɛ me ka kyem sa wo ma me suspension na me ye ukuo ba director James Aboagye. We are president, Emma 5pac no mu bi. And now we are president ma the whole film industry because media me come ho. Me patcho me movies 14 and my police for the past 8 years. Me top 5pac platform bia so da. I say when me say me smiling na maka because Sere keke na me ka ho me mu ni me pa chewo me dwene me ho me ni na mo nchenchen na ma produce mu movie me pa chewo me nje ni mo nyam no ma wo ho na I am not under you. I have never been under you. Mo fa me nka mo ho da Director James Abuaje me nka mo ho 5-pack president there. Me hu ye nko obi ya de ya ne nko abona baso. Wo ye president sebi oba se obeye industry ni ye. Na fe ade. Me nya ade ye ema wo frame me da. Me problem no. Director James Abuaje won fa mentor platform so that unka me she wo yem se wo bada as a president. Enti dia wo ye fans na wo pa na edi ben na wo pe menti ase. I don't person see and to go film about. Who person be who say industry no producing side no odoni wana. Who person be ate yenka. There who you are making it obvious. Akra won farming two group muda. Mean come on. I dent na wo control letter about until say wo suspicious. I mean you the crowd ye. For what? Me be say wo ba until na be check na for say for what? Am I part of you? I am not part of you.
The matter job hot. Assembly Diloto. Hey. Aye. The matter job hot. Assembly Diloto. Hey. Aye.
One thing I know about James Abuaje is that anytime the media is looking for him, he responds to us. But for the first time, James Abuaje is shying away from the media. For the first time, we've called Mr. James Abuaje since yesterday, and he's not answered any of our calls. All right, no problem. Another day will come. Mr. Fossen, does it make 5-pack look serious? Listening to both sides, their letter and Tracy's response.
In fact, the blunt truth is that it doesn't. The mere fact that Tracy can come up to say she's not a member. And the fact that I also got this information from my brother, yeah, I cannot ascertain the veracity of the information though, but if say true say when Tiani do screen we on register we on your member. And if someone is not a member, me name him bra or so they are suspended already no count, but on count with teaming so I successfully produce movies, you know, over and over again. Then I have this question: does the membership of the 5-pack no, does it even validate movie or even give you the authority to even produce a movie? Does it mean say when you're a member of the association crowd to produce a movie? Or like if you are not a member of the pharmacy council of Ghana,
you cannot operate a pharmaceutical company.
Does it mean say when you're a member of 5-pack still out to me a movie?
Because I think in their case,
if she's doing so, then she doesn't need 5-pack. 5-pack cannot suspend her. Like suspending her from what?
that is the case here.
You understand? It's like I'm taking something from you that is not even with you. You get it? So it makes the whole thing look some way. I think the film industry, the producers association should really sit up and make sure the association is well, you know, managed and structured, as you said, because film is very important. I'm account over and over again that every country and every society, film and movies, and then the movie industry, you know, and one of the major ways shaping the psyche and the mindset of the people. It is as a country, you know, if you're a film industry and you're stronger, it means the very moral fiber of our people, the very thing that shapes up our psychology and the way we think as a people, you know, there's a problem with it, you know, because we cannot properly socialize our people, you know. Let me take you to America, for instance, and the Western world. You know, they use movies a lot to shape up the way people think
about them. Yeah,
the way people think. Americans went to space, went to the moon in Hollywood before they actually went to Hollywood. I mean, before they actually went to the moon. You get it? You see America portraying a lot of, you know, military might and strength and all that in their movies. It's just to tell people that, hey, we are strong. They are shaping up the mindset of people. You get it? In just this past decade, maybe people haven't noticed when the LGBT, you know, the gays and lesbians wanted to push the agenda of LGBT. You can notice that every movie that has been produced, there is an element of LGBT in there, and it's a way of unconsciously, subconsciously changing up the mindset of people, you know,
making it look normal.
To make it look normal, because if every movie, you know, in the 80s when the tobacco company wanted to influence people to make sure that smoking is cool, they made sure that every James Bond movie he smokes
he
in there.
He puffs.
And it makes it look cool and normal. So the movie industry is too important for us to just make it look this way. You get it? How can someone not be a member of the Movie Producers Association and is still producing movies, and no one has said anything to her?
You don't have to be a member.
That's why I'm worried that you don't have to be a member.
Yes.
That's why I'm worried. Just like any other association, any other professional association in Ghana, you can never say I'm going to open a hospital if I'm not a member of the medical association. No, I'm putting it.
It's not like those.
That's why I'm putting it here.
He now understands it that way.
I understand it
First,
that
he was
way.
asking that can anybody produce a movie?
I understand it.
Uh-huh.
But you are in the industry now. Why is it so? Any industry that doesn't have laws and
Regulations.
rules, regulations, you know, holding you, you get it, and regulating your operations, activities.
There are regulatory bodies.
There's a regulatory body, but the FIPAC isn't.
FIPAC is not a regulatory body, it's an association.
So how does FIPAC now come to say I'm suspending you? From
Yes,
what?
It's an association.
But which the lady is not
From
part
what?
of.
You know, before the medical council or the pharmaceutical council can suspend you, then they are suspending you from
It's
operating.
an association. It's not FIPAC is not a regulatory.
So it means
FIPAC is an association. You cool.
you cool keke. So what are they? So they are suspending her from being
as a member.
As a member.
Yes.
Okay, then.
Yes.
Can issue that statement, not
Yes.
Censorship.
Yes.
I get it.
It's a
So now my question now is suspending her from what? Something she already doesn't see herself as a member of. You get it? Which means that suspension in itself is null and void because
It's invalid, yeah.
you are taking something from me that I don't really need. You know, so I think they should come again, and if then they are almost supporting her.
It's unfortunate the president is not available to explain
I would
things
have
to
asked
us.
all these questions, and then if it what we are hearing is so, then it is even supporting her assertion that FIPAC just wants attention.
Yeah.
If not so, then
What is
the
their-
suspension
what is their business
to me
here?
was no need. It was beautiful to come and apologize on her behalf. Even with that, they could have engaged her. I think engaging her, you know, privately, that our sister, that thing is not good. Now that you've apologized, we're also going to release a letter to support you. You know, to support you. You know, for all of us to apologize that you are one of us and all that. But to apologize and also suspend her, to me, I think they should come again.
All right, thank you so much, Stephen Forsen from Create Concept CEO. Nana Radio will come through before Kofi Asamoah, and after that we move on to Keche, the skill team. They are already in the studio, looking all flashy. Of course, they are the new guys in town.
Zami,
Yes, boss.
naka me pesa boma
Kofi Akasa.
ya kasa.
Naka owa prapra so.
Dabi men kasa bi.
Okay.
No dem
Matias.
kasa bi a iba na ya ma me letter.
Mana be ma letter.
Ai 5 pack.
Everyone letter to do what?
O dem Kofi kasa na
Okay.
ai
Yapon.
skill team for number.
Na skill team for naba. Okay, Kofi Akwaba.
You are brasa me.
Bibi aboko de.
Nya kura and run
Amanfo ati Kofast Nation. We are aware.
But you mean First Nation.
I may say Amanfo ati Kofast Nation. Almost all mati ekubi a friend Kofast Nation.
And you mean say
Why yati man on tie?
Capitan way.
Me dey be almost sending messages read the Kofast Nation say Kofast Nation e bad abeng. Because that's a almost feeling Kofast Nation movement be.
Oh, me auntie. Maybe I feel on better me letter.
I see. So what information have you gathered so far? I've seen you are doing so many calls left, right, center.
Business course.
I know.
Brasa me. Enye better. In some no dosu and both sides ni nyina no. In some way also yehwe na yeka. First of all, I will be wondering, I'm sure many people too will be, that why would Tracy say she's not a member and of an association, and an association will say no, you're a member? Like, I said in some way,
yeah, for sale. Okay, won't pay we a member.
In some way, see, I come here say Sebio Tafracha. I say nipe bi adwenya kan sisem. Because ko pa na dwon. And ko so dwon a opa ufrim, opa atwaso. Na ko yi me se menkan. O say wo boa kan. Menkan wo say wo kan. Yeah, wo dwon ha onti ase. But in any case, I think it doesn't have a lot of influence on what I'm coming to say. That's me. Hear the 5-pack statement on social media. Me hard copy of the letter, and then you can as the 5-pack letter. The letter is very incomplete and it is not precise. But I don't think that the letter has a very formal tone with respect to the punitive measure Omodema Tracy Boakye. It's a 5-pack.
So are you doubting the letter?
I'm not doubting the letter, but I'm saying that the letter
I guess you
incomplete.
Yes.
Okay,
you are not doubting its source?
No, not at
Good.
all.
That's what I want to confirm.
I'm very well informed that the letter has come from 5-pack.
Good.
When 5-pack says you have been suspended from taking part in any activity. What is any activity?
From producing movies, I guess.
That's not what the letter said. That is not. The letter didn't say you've been suspended from producing movies.
I want to understand the any activities to be producing movies.
Yeah, but you see, it's not about how we understand official letters. It must be well stipulated. 5-pack is an association that embodies an industry, filmmakers, film producers. If there is a problem in your writing, some of these things are errors that cannot be pardoned. So you are suspending her from any activities. Tracy Boakye sells food as well, even as a 5-pack member. Tracy Boakye has a delivery company as a 5-pack member. Tracy Boakye has online digital shows as a 5-pack member. Tracy Boakye is a mother. Tracy Boakye is a social media
commentator. Can I add one?
Yes.
Tracy Boakye is a motivational speaker.
Tracy Boakye,
she starts business with 500 Ghana's cedis.
Tracy Boakye is a
and the business
speaker.
Becomes $1 million business.
Very well so. So if you say that, if a letter says that you have been suspended from any, and even the wording in the letter doesn't sit well with me, and I think that 5-pack should be very conclusive. They should be very precise, because when you say that you have been suspended from, she has been suspended. She's not supposed to take part in any activity. What activity? You see, in the past, other actresses or other performers have been suspended by the same association before. In the case of Yvonne Nelson, she was not a member of 5-pack. What 5-pack did then was that they advised their members to desist from working with any such characters. Kofi Ajololo, Smith Asante, Yvonne Nelson. Tracy wouldn't be the first. Even Edinate at some point was. And they were not members. And so 5-pack as an association advised their members, say, wow, kaya hono, yesi wo kwan say, ene asumesi enye adwuma. And eye adwuma sa pepepe. Because they were not members, they couldn't impose any sanctions on them directly. And they invited them. They invited Yvonne Nelson. Say, Adia wa yesi sinti ye 5-pack there. Go out there and publicly apologize to Ghanaians, publicly apologize to Abdul Salam Mumuni. Otherwise, and Yvonne didn't do it. And then 5-pack took their action. She was very well informed. But in this 5-pack letter to Tracy Boakye, they didn't say anything. Or the young fan say, or your member, send a 5-pack for air can. Say Tracy Boakye, a member. And the punishment, the man said, as a member, we are preventing you. Your punishment is that don't produce films again. Is that what they are telling her?
Yeah.
If you say don't
that
produce,
is how me understand their letter.
then if you say don't produce films, then that is not activities. It means that she can act in the film she didn't produce. You see, letter na muasan ye kunye me na me di bi ka ho.
Yeah.
And I'm perceive ye clear. Almost say don't partake in it. FIPAC is a producers association, it's not actors association. But what I say, it okay say you ban from activity. That means that Tracy Boache should not produce, but can she act? Yes, because she's probably a member of another group that is Actors Guild, which has not suspended her, so she can still act a movie produced by Kofi Asamoah. She can still be in a movie produced by Samir Rasta, formerly of Obinim Church. But what
and TP Clan.
TP Clan.
Yeah.
So the letter, when I say the letter is inconclusive, sana me patchy. Letter didn't see repeat. And at the word, FIPAC, and your activities, producers is producing. It's an activity.
Okay.
And you be until letter they should come again. And
okay.
Next one, a procedure, omufaso, they throw Tracy, the information let about out. In the constitution of FIPAC, there are measures and procedures when a member offense or a member there's any accusations leveled against a member. In same constitution, it lays down very well stipulated process which must happen, and no part of the process ought to be truncated in the delivery of a constitution here. Say there's FIPAC has a disciplinary committee. As a committee, and it's not say review assembly, friend side of the story and say you side say any say udibim because udifonti you say we say ya better one yes better because we yes idea why you punishment here the mouth any, then you write to them, you serve them in writing so that nipano enemy as a member the oya member and common media no member name was okay ya throw me letter say so she said we will not throw me letter say
my diboni
way ya suspended me Matthias here. But in the case of Tracy Boache enye sa na ba no ade Tracy be Ghana no time pa enye ade e wo say obia so ana obia ebon sama Tracy ade a inimguasede and I am a dese oba be pa ho achew intina nyina nka be ye dese FIPAC antenase na ka say ade we de ye hwe nka ya no ntu me yembe ye hu bibi enka be de papa e wo say e fa.
Thank you, Kofi Asamoah, for that one.